Hello, my name is Saiga Ozoļiņa, and today I would like to introduce with my research topic evaluation of development stage of mussel usage in the Baltic Sea region. So, the aim of research is evaluate mussel usage development stage by analyzing views of public administrators, entrepreneurs, researchers in the Baltic Sea region countries obtained in survey. Methodology of research, theoretical findings, survey, indicators of descriptive statistics, analysis of variance ANOVA, and correlation analysis. Empirical researchers, skilled professionals from Baltic Sea region countries such as Germany, Denmark, Sweden, Finland, Estonia, and Latvia, skilled professionals from public administrations, entrepreneurs, and researchers. Now, survey was conducted by myself, and survey answers were allocated by age, gender, representing field, country, education, and other things. Theoretical findings. Several original innovative approaches are under scientific investigation, carried out by many researchers from different countries on blue mussel production and usage in order to find the best possible solutions. And Helgaard and his colleague Helleger analyzed the practical use and implementation of different approaches in the Baltic mussel farming. Moore and his colleagues analyzed including innovative approaches and options, but different approaches presenting in academic research findings with several possibilities developed of mussel farming based on specific model. Felipe indicated that mussel farming as a nutrient reduction measures can be cost effective and its suitability is dependent on environmental marketing and market conditions. So, survey results indicated main statistical indicators of evaluation by experts of fishery, marine aquaculture, and mussel farming importance in the Baltic Sea region. The results indicated that experts evaluate fishery importance in the Baltic Sea region with arithmetical mean 6.75. So it is quite important. However, experts evaluated marine aquaculture with arithmetical mean 3.563, which is more closer to unimportant. And experts evaluated mussel farming importance in the Baltic Sea region with arithmetical mean 2.601 and mode 1 and median 2. Some experts evaluated marine aquaculture and mussel farming with number 9, which they choose as the highest number of evaluating scale. So going to the next table, distribution of experts' evaluation regard mussel usage stage in the Baltic Sea region. Expert results indicated that 28 experts admitted that mussel usage today is in the reduction stage. Main part of the experts indicated that mussel farming, mussel usage will be developed in 6 to 10 years, and 6 to 10 years. So distribution of experts' evaluation of mussel usage in the specific period based on experts' occupation in cross-tabulation table, it's possible to see that the experts answered the growth stage of mussel farming might be reached in 6 till 10 years, most of answers, and most of fishermen and representatives of public administration and regional municipalities answered that 6 to 10 years is the most answers received, but professionals scientists and technical service providers evaluated that mussel usage might be reached earlier, in 5 years. So, mass distribution of experts evaluating of mussel usage in the specific period in the Baltic Sea region in growth stage by age group indicated the expert answers in age 25 to 34-year-old mostly answered that the growth stage might be reached in 6 to 10 years. Experts in age 35-44 answered spread almost evenly in 5 years and over a long period. It's almost, yes. And experts in 45 till 56, as you can see, they are distributed from 5 till 15 years. So, analysis of results of our analysis revealed that experts the experts evaluated fishery and marine importance and growth stage of mussel usage, and it's indicated that by expert countries reveal some significant mean. Most of experts from Denmark and Germany evaluated fishery importance with 4 and 5, and experts from Sweden and Latvia evaluated fishery importance higher than from Denmark and Germany with 7, 8, 9, and 10. So it means that there is some difference difference regarding by expert countries. A majority of experts from Latvia and Sweden evaluated mussel usage in a longer period than experts from Germany and Denmark, which confirmed that the actual situation in Denmark and Germany, where mussel farms already exist. And yes, and it shows that therefore there is some kind of differences. And correlation analysis revealed statistical mean in several aspects: the fishery importance and marine aquaculture has correlation. Actually, this aspect is correlating with all the aspects, but mussel farming is also correlating interesting with marine aquaculture. So there is some kind of interesting aspect. And